In this video, I want to show you how to replace your serpentine belt idler pulley. It's located right down there by the belt, so let's get started. In this video, you might notice that some components are missing. You do not have to take anything apart to do this repair. As you can see, you can just reach right down here and perform your repair as needed. I took other things apart only for camera purposes, otherwise I would not be able to show you what I'm showing you. This right here is the tensioner. As you can see, it has a 1/2-inch drive in the head of it, right where the pulley sits. So I'm using a long breaker bar because this tensioner is pretty stiff. Go ahead and remove the belt off of anything, whatever you can reach. Let go of the tensioner and remove your tool. Now let's take off this idler pulley to replace it. 13mm socket. The bolt shouldn't be too tight. And when you remove it, make sure you save the bolt. It should have a washer built into it. Pull the pulley off of this shanked area on the timing cover. Take your new pulley, put the bolt with the washer through, and let's bolt it back up. Snug it up. When you put the pulley on, make sure it seats itself on that little notch on the timing cover. Bottom the bolt out, and then we'll torque it to 18 foot-pounds. It's time to put the serpentine belt back. Push down on this to release tension. Slide it up on here. With everything back together, go ahead and run the vehicle and make sure everything is good. Double check the belt to make sure it's on all the pulleys, and then take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.